Welcome friends, it's Decor Mommy, and I got 3 simple DIYs for you. And I want to thank you for taking the time to stop by. So I got this Dollar Tree bag. I thought it was just beautiful. And then I got these little photo frames, and I wanted to do something with these. So I thought about putting these stickers on there just to see what it would look like. So here's the J, and so far I'm liking how that turned out. And I got my bag, and of course I'm gonna show you that you don't even need to add lights to it. It's totally up to you. But I did one side to show you that I'm gonna add lights to it, just so you can see. And I did leave the ribbon for the handle because I will be putting a ribbon on there to hide that. So this is how it looks displayed, and this is how it looks with lights if you want to add lights to both sides. And this is how I have it on my shelf, see? So I put the ribbon, that way you can't even see the other piece that I didn't cut off. I think it just turned out so pretty.
I have this, and even though I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter, I am going to try to do something in here for Christmas. So this is what it is, and I'm going to just shave off the letters and try to open it. Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and took off the lettering there. I have millions and millions ideas with this, and but of course I can't do all of them. So I was thinking these are like Christmas bags from the Dollar Tree. I think these are the Dollar Tree bells. And what I'm going to try to do is put them all inside. Cover this up as well. And maybe putting this bag in here. Or just some wrapping paper. So that's kind of, I'm going like back and forth on that. So this is how it turned out. Adorable. This one, because I'm going to put trees, and I'm going to try to make this one look a little different. So here's my little trees, and I do want to add snow to them. Here's my little trees, and I want to add snow to them, and I want to go ahead and put this in there. Alright, so with the lights on there, I kind of wanted to add this one differently on that, see how that will look. Okay guys, so this looks like the finished product here, and since it is a little piggy bank, I am going to put snow through the top. Save me, I wasn't say save me a little mess, but I think I still am getting a little bit of mess on the floor. But you guys could see, it is snowing. That is just too cute. Guys, I did add a little snowman in there, and that is the Dollar Tree little snowman. Guys, I think this would be such an adorable gift. I would love a gift like this. And it was easy to make. And guys, remember this little plaque. And what I like back here is that it looks like snow. So I'm going to end up taking this off, which I already did. And it just left a little spot here because I just ripped it off. So don't do that. But the tree that I'm going to put on there is going to be covering. It's going to be covering right there, so I'm not really worried about that. This is kind of what I have going on right now. And I wanted to tie these little bells, like make it like a little wreath of bells. So just adding your little decor, your little detail to it. So I went ahead and tied these little bells on there. And I thought it would look cute if I just tied the little bells on there. But as well, I was thinking I really need to go to Michael's and get more little more like Christmassy people. But this is what I have on hand. So the trick is just to kind of use what you got. So we'll see how it will look when I tie these on there, and I put this little guy on there. I mean, these are like easy, cute DIYs in my opinion. I mean, so we'll see. I kind of don't have the glue gun, so I'm kind of using sticky tabs. But I think overall it's adorable. And maybe I'll add some little stars to this tree. The only thing is, I need to find my glue gun. Okay guys, so this is what I ended up doing. Everything is from Dollar Tree. The snowman, the Christmas tree, the bells, these little ornament fillers, the little frame, as you can see. I got it from this. Everything is from Dollar Tree, and I think that it turned out just adorable as well. I think this little plaque would look just darling in any little space or even a little gift. And I got this, you could even put this in your little hot cocoa station. I got my little mugs here and I tied some little bells there. And I got some little marshmallows. I think it just looks too cute.